Good morning, students. In this video, we'll see about Automotive Ethernet. So, what is an Automotive Ethernet? It is a physical network that is used to connect components within a car using a wired network. It is designed to meet the needs of automotive market, including meeting electrical requirements, bandwidth requirements, latency requirements, synchronization, and network management requirements. So, even though Ethernet has existed for over 20 years, it could not be previously used in automobiles due to that is EMI or RFI requirements, and Ethernet could not guarantee the latency down to low microsecond range, and Ethernet did not have a way to control bandwidth allocation to different streams, so did not have a way of synchronizing time between the devices. So that's what it's due to technical concerns such as electromagnetic compatibility, cost, and other considerations. The Ethernet networks used for decades in homes, offices, they have not generally been viewed as an option for in-vehicle use. So a few years ago, Broadcom developed an Ethernet variant called Broad or Reach that is specially designed to meet the many special requirements of automotive networking. Ethernet and automobile, so that is changed with some help from Broadcom. So what are the other technologies entering the automotive space? So that is the automobile is no longer a series of isolated simple systems, rather by being an interconnected whole. So the technologies are connected cars with internet access through the cellular or Wi-Fi connections. They are starting to be available. So that is connected cars and the vehicle to vehicle communication, that is will be used for cars to coordinate with each other by knowing what other vehicles are doing and getting information about the relationship of vehicles to other objects. So an augmented reality dashboards will be provide information about the objects on the road. The driver look forwards an object and the car will provide information on the windshield showing distance and could zoom into faraway objects. Self-driving vehicles will be able to drive passengers and make deliveries without any driver. So this is the future car electronics. So initially in first generation, only back view cameras. In second generation, infotainment, driver assistant. In third generation, Ethernet as the network backbone. So this it is a automotive Ethernet. It's a full duplex operation, means two linked devices can send and receive the message simultaneously. This provides three related advantages compared to the conventional shared networks. First, it means both the devices can send and receive at once. Second, it means greater aggregate bandwidth. Third, full duplex operation paves the way for simultaneous conversation among different pairs of devices. So this packet switching breaks the communication into small messages called the packets or the names. Ethernet frame is most commonly used. So every Ethernet message, it has a source address and a destination address. So it is based upon address based messaging. It will be sending the data. So the electrical isolation, so that is an essential feature of Ethernet. It is the electrical isolation requirement of the physical layer, which are described in IEEE 8023 standard. So there is three electrical tests it required to, that is pass at least one of these 1500 VRMS at 50 Hz to 60 Hz, 2250 VDC for 60 seconds, a sequence of 10 2400 volts impulses of alternating polarity applied at intervals of not less than 1 second. So again, another advantage of automotive Ethernet is the power over Ethernet and power over data line. Both the things same line you can use. So high speed and product differentiation. So what are the electrical requirements for the automotive Ethernet? So that is reverse polarity, pole tracking voltage, load dump, power management, parked state power consumption, power connections, automotive transceivers, wake up or boot time or sleep mode, virtual networking, partial networking, and electromagnetic compatibility testing. So there's reverse polarity. So the major thing is alternator or engine starter should not be damaged due to the reverse polarity. So they are always reverse polarity. protected, so by having an internal circuit. So cranking voltage is the battery voltage while the engine is being spun to start. So this is a battery voltage. It should be, there should be minimum battery voltage should be maintained. So cranking power, cold cranking amps is a rating that measures a battery's cranking power. So load dump occurs when the load to which a generator is delivering current is abruptly disconnected. So the goal of energy management is to monitor and optimize electricity usage to lower the cost and reduce the emissions without disrupting operations. So standby mode, if it is not in the working mode, functioning mode, it go to standby mode. So and wake up at boot time. So this for electromagnetic testing, it measures the ability of the system or equipment to function satisfactorily in the electromagnetic environment without introducing intolerable electromagnetic disturbance to anything in that environment. So what are all this, that is electromagnetic compatibility testing, so we can do using this. So it's a listed. So energy efficiency test, equipment meets increasing stringent standards for consumption by energy using goods. So these are the things. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, students.